This niche can make you up to $3,000 a month, or even more if you take it seriously. So what is this niche? How can you create its interior with a free interior website that I'm going to show you at the end of this video? So the niche is homeschool planner, and as you can see, if you type that on Amazon search bar, you can see that there is only 3,000 results, which is pretty good. And if you go to Google Trends and type homeschool, you can find it has almost a steady line with search volume. That is quite good. So the world discovered the importance of homeschool after COVID. So as you can see, in the past 5 years, let's say, you can see that the peak is at the beginning of COVID. However, overall, the potential volume after COVID is clearly more than before. So as you can see, even if you type homeschool on Google search bar, you can see that here is some ads from Amazon and different websites with these books. So this is from Amazon, this is from another website, and this is from Amazon as well. So this is a paid ads. However, here down you can see that here is many books that can appear organically from Google itself. So all of these are from Amazon and they're on Amazon, and many of them are self-publishing books. So this is a great opportunity that your book can be shown on the first page on Google search. So this niche, as you can see, with 3,000 results, which is really great as a general niche. We haven't dig in to find a sub niche, mini niche, or anything like that, and I'm going to show you at the end of the video how you can create this interior and get it for free. And as you can see, the rankings are pretty good. So here is 59, 77, 20, 250, and so on. And this one is 1,900, which is great. So this book is making maybe more than, I don't know, maybe 20,000 a month or even more, because look at the price, it's horrible. So I know this is not from Amazon KDP, independent publisher, but still I'm trying to show you how people are interested in this niche as a niche. So here you can see that even with the self-publishing books, for example, this one, it's independently published, as you can see, in 2020. As you can see, it has 68,000 results. And by the way, I get these rankings up on the front page without need to click on the book from DS Amazon Quick View, I think, something like that. It's a free tool. You can add it to your Chrome. So here is as well 21,000, but it's not from KDP. And this one is really great. So as you can see, with low competition and high demand, very high demand. And here's sub niches. For example, this one, lesson plan book. So this one I think can be used even for teachers. So here is many sub niches or mini niches that are related to the homeschool planner. So you can find them easily with less than 3,000 results or even less than 1,000 results. And if we go, for example, this one with a great ranking, you can see how does it look from inside, which is not that complicated. So the cover design is really nice. And here you can see that it's like schedule planner with some dates, tasks, subject, goal, required resource, and so on. And here is with a calendar, something like that. So I'm going to show you how you can get this for free at the end of the video. So here you can see that it has 400 pages with 8.5 to 11 inches, which is common in this niche, 8.5 by 11 inches. This one as well is only 120 pages with 8.5 by 11 inches. And if we look inside it, you can see it's text with the headings and tables. everyone can create something like that using free sources, whether it was Canva, whether it was Photopea, or if you have Photoshop, or any graphic designer, any tool, free or paid, that you have and you are familiar with, you can create by yourself. Or if you don't have time and you want to invest your money, you can get it from Creative Fabrica or Bookbolt, or the free source that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So here is the BSR calculator, sales calculator, and I have typed one of the books ranking in this niche, and you can see that it has a very awesome ranking, which is 1941. So this book is selling more than 1300 a month, and almost always and most of the time this calculator is underestimating the real sales. So I will say that this book is making over 2000 sales a month, which is translated to $4,000 a month. So what I'm saying by that is not that when you create this book you will get $3,000 a month straight away. Of course no, you have to do your own research. You have to try to find a mini niche with a really lower results than this one, really lower competition than this one, and with a good demand. So you can do the research yourself, or you can watch this video that will show in the cards at the corner in the up, right or left. So you can watch this video to get how you can get mini niches, sub niches from the big niche. So here, as you can see, many related niches. So you can do something like preschool, like this one, preschooler, which is number tracing or letters tracing and so on. So the free source that you're waiting for to get this, and many people, to be honest, don't know about it, is Bookbolt. So if you go to Bookbolt right here, you can see that here is some resources category, and here interior wizard. So if you click here, you will get this page with many interior. Many of them are for free. So here are some interior that require registration and for members only, but many of them are for free. So here are so many interior that is related to ours niche, not directly but really related. So for example, this one, monthly to-do list. For example, this one, weekly planner. You can use it in the homeschool planner, or even these calendars designs. So you can use them, you can edit, or even just get inspired from it. And I will leave the link for this page in the description down below. So I've shown you in this video a fish, one fish that you can catch in a sea that is filled with many fishes. So if you want to learn how to fish, not I will give you a fish, no, I will teach you how to fish, the fishing lesson. Watch this video right here where I'm discussing that topic.